A Kurumoto man will be feeling like a king when his wife is confronting a side chick and they are fighting somewhere in the streets of Nigeria. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, a woman is fighting a known Olosho in Lagos because the husband is sleeping with her. Anyway, you need to see this video for yourself, and it's trending all over social media.
You're the best for your husband is walking after fried rice.
Mama, please. Leave this man.
You're mad. You're stupid husband.
What's happening now? Drive.
Nobody took me to get my business to buy it. You don't do that. She's a threat to her life. To call somebody's husband by what? Let me call her.
Rubbish married women.
Don't go too far.
You've gone too far.
The main drive go from now. Drive go from.
Sorry.
You're a mad woman. You're a mad woman.
What is going on? Can you stop that? What is wrong with you? I'm going to arrest all of you.
I should go to court, they can jail her.
And I will deal with all of you.
It's like you don't know the law now.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You're a mad person. You've been embarrassing us around throughout today.
I will deal with you, madam.
You're a mad person. And you follow us back to this place. Who do you think you are? You go and talk to your husband. Just like this video. I'm coming for you people. Go and it's called fucking violence.
Madam.
Your husband, why not you? You're so jealous. You think I'm not find you?
Madam.
You think I'm not find you?
Hello.
That's what I think. You know, you're already mad. You're mad.
You're very, very wrong. But I fire you and you're wrong.
So apparently, as you've seen from the video, that lady is a known. If you've watched Honest Bunch, you see that where she said that she is known that she sleeps with married men. I did a video where I said that there should be a law where they arrest side chicks because they're sleeping with married men. You know, I feel bad that women fight each other when their husbands are cheating. You know, this video shows you after this woman have done this fighting, when she goes in her silent room or whatever, she will feel bad for coming on the streets fighting the husband's side chick. You know, men that are womanizers, men where they follow woman, when say men, one woman, they do them. That's why they say they want to eat egusi soup, they want to eat salad, they want to eat all the kind of soup. All the soup. You see somebody that will eat egusi soup and still add ogbono soup by the side and still demand for meat from the stew. You know, that's men for you. You know, and you want to go and fight this woman, another woman. This woman have come to a podcast and say that this is what she does for a living. Like I said before, some people are in OnlyFans and they are making money. And now this woman, you are going to fight somebody that said in national television that she is known for sleeping with married men. And the husband, see, it's the man that is the shit. These men that are doing these things, they are like, when they shit. I have to say it this way. I will describe it this way. Men are like these men that do this, they are like shit. You cannot chase away flies from the shit because the flies will keep coming back. No offense to the men that decide that they are going to be respectful to their family, to their children, because how can you disrespect your family so much? Most times they feel that they are man enough. Men, once they get money, they want all the women. But women, once a woman have money, women don't need a man. So on the other part, you will be side chick, you will be known side chick, where they fight woman, Say, have you, you know, we have done this business. Are you even sure that your husband is dating that person? Or once they tell you, how many people you want, my question is, how many people do you want to fight? How many people you want to go fight? How many? If you are fighting this one, he's still going to another one, and after you fight her, do you think that your husband will not call her back? Some people will go as far as blocking you when they come to the house. Blocking somebody. They block the side chick when they come to the house. Once they go outside, they unblock and still. How many people do you want to fight? Is the fight should be with your husband. You know, the energy. Put that energy in trying and maybe quitting the marriage, or look for something, or channel your energy somewhere else. Because your husband, this so-called man, your king will keep cheating. Your king, if you chase your king from this shit to another, is going to shit, because he will keep. This man will tell you, I want a woman with a big bum bum, and they will see somebody with slim somebody, they will follow the person. How many people do you want to fight? And the women that are claiming that you're a side chick, you not gonna be side chick forever. You know, you maybe someday you're gonna be married and somebody else will take your husband and you'll be fighting. How many people you want fight? You see, this one man, one wife, they do them again. No? What they want is one man, plenty woman. However you feel about this video, please leave your comment on the comment section, because a queen is fighting for her king. I'm your girl Bella. Palava, they finish.